Hexagon kickstart the MACH week on the MTD CNC live shows. So why, Sam, should anybody visit the Hexagon stand?
Well, this year we have an exciting range of smart manufacturing solutions, all the way through from design engineering, production and to metrology. So in design engineering we have simulation software for additive manufacturing, so if you're looking to improve your processes there, electrical, mechanical simulation, and production software. We've got our CAD/CAM solutions, which again link into that smart manufacturing solution for products like EdgeCam, which is obviously quite a popular software.
And because it's popular, of course, people may have it already. So who have you got on the stand, really, to talk to?
Well, as well as salespeople on the stand, we also have engineers. So if you do have, if you've got any bottlenecks or you want to make any improvements in your processes, come along and I'm sure we can show you and help you improve those processes.
And of course, you know, what in terms of metrology inspection, is there anything that you don't have?
There's virtually nothing we don't have, but on the stand specifically, we're going to be linking back to that smart manufacturing process, and we've got the Absolute scanner on the articulated arm. We've got the brand new Tempo automated solution, which is a loading solution for the CMM on the stand, and we have our laser trackers, which is obviously, you know, a bit of a benchmarking as a standard within metrology.
And I hear that you might have some of the nicest coffee at MACH too.
Yet again, we do have one of the top baristas in the country. So we will be offering free coffee. So come along, grab a coffee and have a look at our technology.
Absolutely perfect. And you're going to be kickstarting the show on Monday morning. So if you can't visit MACH, make sure you're watching the MTD CNC live show just after 9, where Hexagon are going to be telling you all about this technology and more.